Okay guys, I had a Ford engine here. This is attachment for the manlip Genie. So the sounds, this engine is sounds like misfiring, but I thought it's misfiring, and because of misfiring I check everything here on the spark plug, and I have a lot of spark plug here and ignition coil, ignition wire coil. So I changed the spark plug, all the spark plug. It's because of due for change also, and the wiring in here, but it's still the same. Now I figured it out because I already done for spark plug and wiring, everything is done. The only I check is on the vacuum. Now I figured out which from the we have a vacuum leaking. So if you guys see here, I don't know if how to, but see, yeah, that's a gasket. It's from the intake. So I don't know if you already, but I'm gonna show you. I don't know guys how to show you, but it's on the back. It's on the back on this gasket of intake is have a leaking. So that's we call the vacuum leak. So that's why it looks like the sound is look like misfiring, but it's not misfiring. This is a vacuum leaking. Okay guys, so here, so all this gasket, because somebody he do for tune up or servicing, he said it's a misfiring also, and he didn't change the spark plug and wire, just for tunes up only. Now maybe he already fixed for misfiring, but the problem he didn't change this old gasket. Now the customer is complain again. He said it sounds like a misfiring. So he said he already told the story about what he doing. He said he do for preventive maintenance, like for change oil, bar blushing. And I asked if he already changed the spark plug. He said no. So I changed it because I have a spare here, and I changed it, but it's still the same. It looks like sounds misfiring. But I figured it out during running. It's a vacuum leak. So I check all the gasket and all the hose connection like this, and it goes to the intake. Everything is tight except on this on the back. Yeah. So how do I figure out it's a vacuum leak? We have like a sweating, yeah, at the back on this. So what can I do now is I change this gasket, or else do porcelain first to make sure it's a gasket. But yeah, 100% is a vacuum leak because of this gasket. Okay guys, this is a Ford engine. I don't know how big this, but we have a tag plate on here. This is a Ford. Okay guys, we hope you're understanding what I'm troubling right now, and that's it. Thank you so much.